We're replacing all the cpvc with PEX. And Ragsdale Plumbing, Ed and Mike are here to do it. This is Ed putting in the PEX to the kitchen sink. That old cpvc gets brittle, and if you bump it, it can bust, and we don't want that. So we're investing in our home. So this is just some of the old cpvc that came out of the house. And so we got all that, and this is the PEX that's going to be going in. So Ed's working on the line coming out of the expansion tank. And what they did, they had cpvc right there going up that wall to a spigot right there. But when they ran it outside of this wood platform. I was scared to death somebody was gonna bump it and break that thing. We would have had flood in here. So this was one of the things we wanted to correct. We had Ed out 2 days ago to inspect everything and give us a price. And putting the ball valves that I wanted to add and that correction there got us halfway to repiping the whole house. So we decided that was the best way to go. And we are using Ragsdale Plumbing out of Dallas. Everything that we've used them for has been 100% on up and up, and they are excellent at communicating when technicians are on their way and when they're arriving, when they're going to be there. And the technicians actually let you know too. So can't say enough good about Ragsdale. Very professional. Okay, so this is the PEX piping that's going in. We just want to show you a process video on how it's put together. And it looks like he just slips it over the ribbed brass fitting, the T. And there's a little metal band on there. And that's a crimping tool. And he crimps it on. And is that it, Ed?
That's it.
All right, that's simple. All right. Hey everybody, it's been a long day. The plumber's about to leave. They're wrapping everything up, and I'll show you what is left. So first thing, they tied into this and put a new ball valve there. That's the shut off now. That is old, and to change it, he would have had to get into all that, and that wasn't in the quote. So we left it. We're gonna leave it on. And that's the new on and off for water coming into the house. We got a new spigot up there and ball valve to to control that in the basement. This is the wash and dryer hookup for the ball valve. And then the red and blue pipes signifies, or that is the new plumbing, the PEX. So that right there is water supply. And then got another spigot outside there and ball valve to control that. Excuse the mess down here. But all the blue and the red, that's kind of messed up right there. We'll see if they can fix that. Looks like crap. This is pretty cool. These give. That's really neat. That they are full of water and they can still move. That way if you bump them, they don't just shatter. I like that. Got another spigot here. Ball valve to control it. Ed and Mike did a good job. That was a big job. So that's about it. So I just want to thank everybody for watching. If you haven't already done so, hit the like button and subscribe. Comment if you'd like. And we'll catch you on the next video.